So group by function or clause of the Google Sheet plays very important role along with when we use group by along with query. Uh, we'll find the amazing output, and this is very useful. It gives a very prominent output when we use group by along with the query function. So to apply a query function, we have to find out uh, like SQL works along with the query function, and many clauses like order by and group by clauses work with SQL and query. So this time I'm going to discuss group by along with a query. So we'll move to Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. Over here, if you look into the sheet, I have three columns. One is classes, second is section, and third is strength. And what I want here, I want to sum up the strength of the class, means sum of the class rather. How many students are there in 12th? How many students are there in 11th? How many students are there in 10th? So obviously I'll have to apply query function here, and I'll group by, and then I'll apply sum function, because sum, average, minimum, maximum, count, all are the aggregate functions that can be applied on group by clause. So let's see, I'm going to discuss, find out how many students are there in the classes, how many in 12th, how many in 11th. So see here. So first statement, the first task is to type equal sign, then apply query, and after query you will have to select the data. So for data, I'll have to select the entire range. So range is selected, and I'll make it freeze. So this range is frozen now. Then comma, then apply query function. Like query means the SQL function. Here select. So what do you want? I want to sum up, want to find out the strength of each class. So I'll take section, I mean column A, means the header A, or you can say call 1 can also be applied. Then sum of, and the range, the strength is in column C, so I'll have to mention column C here. Then group by, which column? Because classes can be grouped. So column A is the column where on which we can make the groups. So group by column A. Here this is. We have only one header, so I'll mention one and close the parenthesis and press the enter. You see here. Okay, the strength of 12th is this, the strength of, strength of ninth is this, 6th is this, 7th is this, 8th is this, 12th is this. So this way we can find out the strength. And what is the average strength of the class? This we can also find out. Again, I'll apply the same function, but in place of sum, I'll apply, in place of sum function, I'll apply average. average. Oh, oh. Query, select average. Wait, work. Yes. Not average. This is AVG. So here, so select A, average C, group by A. And if you want to format this to after two decimal places, if you want, then you can do it like this, or one more. So this is average. So average students in each class are in this column. And if you want to find out the maximum and minimum, you can also find out here. Copying the same query, and in place of average, I'll use minimum of minimum is strength of each class. So minimum strength of each class is this, and class 12th minimum is 31. And what are the maximum? So we can apply maximum also. So maximum, class wise maximum. So this way query function, query clause of Google Sheet works. And along with query, we have seen the functionality of uh, SQL, structured query language. So that's all for the day. So if you like this group by clause on Google Sheets, kindly share and subscribe. And if you have any query, kindly post the query in my description box. I'll see, then I'll definitely reply. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then,